In this pencast, we're going to be finding if a polygon is regular or not. The question asks us, is the polygon formed by connecting the points 1, 0, 5, 1, 4, 5, and 0, 4 regular? The first thing we need to do is remember what it means to be a regular polygon. A regular polygon is a polygon with all sides and all angles equal. There's a couple of ways we can figure out if this polygon formed is regular. We can either graph it to figure it out, or we can use a distance formula. And since we don't draw perfect pictures, we're going to use the distance formula. But first, to give us a good idea of what this looks like, we're going to plot the points. So first, the point 1, 0, the point 5, 1, which we can find with the intersection of 5 and 1. The point 4, 5, which if we draw a dotted vertical line all the way up and hit the 5, okay, and 0, 4, which is on the axis, and we connect those points together, we see that we get a polygon. And let's call the point 1, 0, let's call 1, 0 A, 5, 1 B, 4, 5 C, and 0, 4 D. So to find the distance between each of these points, we're going to use the distance formula. And if you recall, the distance formula is the square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. And it doesn't matter which points you choose to be x1, y1, and x2, y2, as long as you're consistent. So first, let's find the distance between A, B. If we draw our formula out, we know it's going to be x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. Let's say A is x1, so x1 is 1, and then B is x2, y2, so minus 5, and y1 is 0 minus y2, which is 1. This gives us the square root of negative 4 squared plus negative 1 squared. Remember that the square of a negative is positive, so that gives us 16 plus 1, which is the square root of 17. Let's find the length of side BC. Using the same method, gets us, let's see, B is 5 minus C is 4 squared, those are the x coordinates, plus x2, or y1 is 1 minus y2 is 5 squared. That gives us 1 squared plus negative 4 squared, which is the square root of 1 plus 16, which is also the square root of 17. So we know that side AB and side BC are the same so far. Let's find side CD. Again, writing our formula out. If B is x1, y1, and if C is x1, y1, and D is x2, y2, then x1 is 4 minus x2, which is 0 squared, and y1 is 5 minus y2, which is 4 squared. Gives us 4 squared, or 16, plus 1 squared, which is 1. Again, square root 17, so we know that this side is the same. And dA, again, writing our formula out, x1 is 0 minus x2, which is 1, and y1 is 4 minus x2, which is 0. Again, giving us 1 plus 16, or square root 17. Since all of these sides are the same, we can say that this polygon is regular.